adventure, we are going to be digging potatoes. This variety of potatoes, the Yukon Gold, the Pontiac Reds, and the Adirondack Blue. Now my mom's gonna come open and see how cool it looks on the inside. Okay, we're back. So this is the Adirondack Blue that my mom cut, and these are the other two varieties, which Carly will say. The Yukon Gold and the Pontiac Red. This one is yellow on the inside, as you can see, and this one, you see it's reddish pink on the outside, but it's white in the inside. For the Adirondack Blue, it looks like it's purple, but it's supposed to be a very mixed color of purple and blue. It's like a galaxy color. So now we're gonna go dig some potatoes. We're only gonna be digging red though today. Okay, let's get started. You have to be very careful as digging potatoes so you don't mess them up. And if you have a little thing to break the dirt up, be careful not to stab it and mess the potato up. As you see here, I have dug around the potato to get it, but you can use a pitchfork to break up the dirt. You dig all around the potato to get all the dirt loosened up, and watch out for ants. I've been in that situation before. And after you're done digging your potato, you can use a pitchfork to look for some more, because you don't want to leave any behind. Because when you go back and plant more, there could be another one and it could start growing, because they have little tiny buds on them, and they could squish together, and that would be very bad. They cannot work. Okay, so for planting the potato, what my dad does is you let it eye out, and then you cut the potato in half, or you can cut it in fourths, which is quarters, and you dip it in ash or some kind of material that is it has a lot of nutrients for it. Then you put it in the ground with the eyes facing up. And then when you pull the potato up, there's this half a potato. Can't really see it on this one. Right here was all moldy and squishy, and you don't get that one, but you get the other potatoes. Like, they start out super small, like this small, super small, and it just fell. And then they're on the roots. So for like this one, it's on the sides of the roots and the end of the roots. I found a bunch on this one. There's some big ones. These are baked potatoes. You can bake them. And if you see here, you see little holes. Those are tiny eyes, which you can put in a bucket and let them grow. And once they're about this big, and they're ready to plant. And then you plant them. Our baby goat Lily wants to come in and help us. Or eat the plants. Probably eat the plants. Hey guys, look what I found. I found a potato what was trying to grow into a plant. It has a few roots on it. Let's see if we can plant it and it can grow again. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another plant. And sometimes you can see, once you break it up, you can see some potatoes. And if you want to look and see if there's potatoes, you just lean the leaves and like kind of dig a little bit, and you might start finding potatoes. But don't pick it unless a parent gives you permission. And you can see here, there's some potato right here. This one's ready to pick. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna dig very carefully, and you don't want to pull it right up away, because if you pull it right up away, and the stem might break. And if you don't check it, like shake the dirt and see if there's any more, then you can leave some, and there can be more plants growing it, which you don't want. You can see on this one, like I was trying to explain earlier, about the potato that we cut and put in ash to plant. So here it is right here. I accidentally pulled it off the plant. It was on the plant. It gives the plant nutrients and kind of like a starter for it to grow and produce more potatoes. See, this one was producing some tiny little potatoes. We should have probably gave that more time, but too late now. And these you can see, they were starting to have little eyes. You need to make sure, if you're gonna cook these, you need to make sure to scrub them really good. You don't want any dirt in your food. Here's a fact. If the potatoes are sticking out, when you go and check on the plants and it's sticking out, you want to cover that back up right away. Or else it'll get a green spot, and that's poisonous to humans. And that will not be very good to eat. This is all the potatoes we've dug so